Alternative Behavioral Care in St. Peters is an outpatient facility that treats substance abuse and mental health issues in a unique way. Psychiatrist Dr. Saeed Khojaste and clinical social worker Cara Cassidy are here to tell us more. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
So first of all, why don't you tell me what types of issues do you all treat?
Well, we treat mental health issues from age 4 and above in child, adolescent, and adult population, as well as substance abuse in teenagers and adults.
It was surprising to hear age 4. Like, really? Wow.
Well, we believe that one of the unique things about what we're doing is to detect, treat, and hopefully change the course of the psychotic illness in young population, because that's when you really can make a difference in the lives of our teenage population, and making sure that disabilities don't happen, and issues with education, self-esteem, and future of these kids are taken care in our program.
So how do you all combine care for substance abuse and mental health?
I think everybody nowadays knows that these two issues go hand in hand. Unfortunately, a lot of people who have mental health issues, they do tend to get hooked on substances, whether they are trying to treat their mental illness, make themselves feel better, or that's what they call comorbid substance abuse issues. So you cannot ignore one and only treat the other one. And you probably have to do that in the same facility under the same roof, rather than sending people to different directions, because that's probably a waste of resources.
Right, and that was a big point of you guys, is that you're all in one place.
Yes, that is true. We're trying to offer the help in a very family-oriented environment and take the stigma away and make sure that it's a wholesome treatment programming.
All right, so tell us a little bit more about your facility.
Cara, I think you probably want to answer this question.
There's so much about us that's really unique, but the biggest thing that we really pride ourselves on is that we're small and we're intimate. We know all of our patients by their first name, and that's the way that we really want to keep it. Yeah.
Because you don't want to just feel like one of their thousands of patients or whatever. You want to feel like they know who you are and know your story.
Absolutely, yes.
So talk a little bit about each therapist, because I know they're very highly trained.
Yes, all of our therapists are at least master's level, and then obviously we have our medical doctors on staff, our psychiatrists, but the highest level is all that we accept. So all of our therapists are master's level, and most of them are also licensed to practice independently as well.
Perfect.
Yes.
Our doctors are board certified in either adolescent and child treatment issues, as well as adult and substance abuse. So we think that we are providing the highest level of a standard of care to our clients.
Wonderful. And what else do we want everybody to know about this? Anything? Do we leave anything out?
I think our child program is really unique. We do treat as young as age 4. And our counselor in our child program is a wonderful, all of our counselors are wonderful, but she's really wonderful. She used to be a teacher. She has adopted children in her home, and the parents and the children just really love her. Our child program has just been very unique.
Yeah, because especially that young, you want to make sure you move their life in the right direction.
Our approach is really medical model, meaning that we treat mental illness and substance abuse as a medical issue. We try to remove the stigma. We try to make sure that families who are coming to us are feeling comfortable with the environment and with the doctors, and they do not feel alienated, because we really believe that, that's my personal belief, that mental illness, substance abuse issues are as common cold. They do not discriminate the socioeconomic ranks. You can find them anywhere. And unless we treat that at an early age, the outcome would be unfortunate.
Well, thank you for the work that you do. Very important work.
Thank you very much for having us.
Let's tell everybody that Alternative Behavioral Care is at 255 Spencer Road, Suite 101 in St. Peters. For more info, call 636-477-6111. You can also visit them online at alternativebehavioralcare.com.